In today's video, I'm going to tell you why the story of decline with age does not have to be true for you. So the other morning, I was barefoot on a steep mountain road, carrying 5 yogurt bottles filled with water. I could feel them sloshing around a bit in my backpack, all 10 kilograms of liquid effort as I sprinted upward. 20 seconds at a time, twice, and that's all. Now, if someone had told me in my 20s that I'd be doing this after 50, well, actually, I'm not quite sure how I would have reacted. Maybe I would have just laughed and said, am I even going to be alive that long? 50 seemed like a lifetime away and well into what we thought of as senior years. Back then, I thought aging meant decline. Knees wear out, joints stiffen, energy drops. That's the script that society programs us to follow. Now, after my knee injuries, I believed it even more. Running was out of the question, so was hiking. Sprinting uphill with a loaded backpack, barefoot, that would have seemed like a kamikaze mission to kill the knees once and for all. Yet, here I am. Not broken, not fragile, but feeling like there is a monster inside me, powerful, but not reckless, ready for action at a moment's notice, but not chasing numbers or personal records. I know when to stop. I don't push past those 20 seconds. And I only do sprints because I know the science. And I only do 2 of them. I know what works, and I know what breaks people. I'm also lazy, so I don't do what gives me no extra benefit, which is that 3rd sprint. Now, truth be told, I absolutely hate those sprints, but my body seems to love them. What I do is enough to give me a heart that's 20 years younger and more energy through increased mitochondria production. Oh, where's the intro? Hi, I'm Pavel. I'm an anthropologist who's totally unqualified to dispense fitness advice, but I do it anyway. I'm back from a hiatus and my videos are now released on my website first, 1 week before YouTube premiere. It's free, it's without ads, and if you want to support me, you can become a member and get access to more, the Syndica method, course beta, which is an awesome way to get fit, strong and flexible, with no equipment and very little time. That's how I rebuild my body after 40, and I'm confident you can rebuild yours. So this is why the story about aging as decline falls apart. The truth is, if you haven't been a lifelong athlete, you haven't used up your body. And if you're like me, you probably barely tapped into what it could do when you were younger. People who've trained hard since youth often carry the cost. The same intensity that wins medals also grinds down cartilage, tears tendons, and pulls muscles. Many professional athletes live with chronic pain and joint replacements or worse. They peaked early, but their fitness left scars. They also bemoan the lost power of their peak years. Now, the rest of us, the non-athletes, have a different kind of opportunity before us. We're not trying to recover from overuse. We are awakening systems that have been asleep, sometimes for decades. The muscles still know how to fire, the fascia still knows how to stretch, the joints still remember what fluid motion feels like. The potential is still there. You just have to give your body the right treatment. Not through punishment, though. Through gentle repetition, through curiosity, through the kind of movement that feels good enough to do again tomorrow and the day after that. That's the DSY principle. Don't strain yourself. It's not about taking it easy, it's about not wasting effort on what hurts you. The right kind of effort compounds. You don't need more willpower, you need a smarter way to train. Aging isn't a steady slide downhill. For many people, myself included, it's actually the start of an upward curve. When you begin to move consistently, intelligently, and with awareness, you can improve faster than you think. Your body becomes lighter, your posture lifts. Your breath deepens. Movement feeds tissues. It signals repair, renews circulation, balances hormones. It signals to the body not to fall apart just yet, that it still needs to accomplish great many things. Every step, stretch, or sprint becomes a message to your body. Stay alive, stay ready. Exercise is the most powerful health intervention you can do on yourself. So powerful that if it were a pill, it would cost a lot of money and require a prescription. Right now, it only costs some effort and far less than the fitness industrial complex would have you believe. That feeling I get in those 20-second uphill sprints. It's not nostalgia. It's not trying to recapture youth. It's the opposite. It's proof that growth doesn't stop just because society says so. It's proof that strength, coordination, and grace can arrive late in life, and that they might even feel better and more precious now because we understand the cost of losing them. And that's why it's not all downhill from here. Not if you learn how to move the way your body was built to move. Not if you give it time, attention, and kindness. You can move better and be stronger than the 20-something-year-old. I know I am. I share this because I know how many people give up too early. They believe the myth that fitness is for the young, that decline is inevitable. Or they do the opposite. They fling themselves at gym machines with manic intensity that leaves them exhausted or injured or both. Pain is not the price of age. You just have to find a smarter road, one that's less traveled because of all the unhelpful noise that's out there. But there is a road mapped out by science and experience that doesn't wreck you. Of course, I know a road. If you're not sure where to start, but you'd like to start today, then start with the 3-minute Japanese radio Taiso stretches. By the way, if you like this and want to help the channel, share the content with your friends and enemies, turn on the notification bell, and find someone to have a real or play pretend flame war in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye!